Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook full lobster. First, select a live, healthy lobster, ideally weighing between 1.5 and 2 pounds. This size ensures the best texture and flavor. Before cooking, give your lobster a quick rinse under cold water to clean it. You'll also need a very large pot, sturdy tongs, and a reliable timer to keep track of your cooking. Let's get started with the boiling process. Now, let's get that water boiling. Fill a large pot with enough water to completely cover your lobster, adding about 2 tablespoons of salt for every gallon of water. Once the water reaches a vigorous, rolling boil, carefully place the lobster head first into the pot using your tongs. For a 1.5-pound lobster, cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. For a 2-pound lobster, aim for 10 to 12 minutes. The shell will turn bright red. How do you know when your lobster is perfectly cooked? The most reliable sign is a bright, vibrant red shell. Also, the meat inside should be opaque and firm. Once it's done, carefully lift the lobster out of the hot water with your tongs. Place it on a platter and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling period makes it much easier and safer to handle before you begin to crack it open. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. To get to that sweet meat, use a nutcracker or strong kitchen shears to crack open the claws and tail. Carefully pull out the tender meat. You can discard the green tomelli and any red roe if you prefer. Serve your freshly cooked lobster with a side of warm melted butter, a few lemon wedges, or your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your gourmet meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.